Sparkle Squad, this is Monica, and today I'm participating in a crafty collab with Creating with Jovi, and this is for Tassel Tuesday on her channel. She's doing a Gnometastic Tassel for Valentine's Day gnome, and I decided I was going to participate because I'm trying to figure out some new decoration for Valentine's Day on my Dreambox cabinet, and I love gnomes. I create those in my digital graphics, and I think they're so cute. They make me giggle. So I created two. I am not going to do a tutorial. I have never made these before, so I've made all kinds of mistakes, I'm sure, but they still turned out cute. So I made a, I guess, large size one and a tiny little miniature one. So the one on my left is in blue, and I'm using my Dress It Up Buttons Veri Peri flowers here that I got in the Jesse James Beads Ambassador Design package this month. I think those turned out really cute on that, and it actually, I didn't realize the felt was more periwinkle color, so it really worked out well there. This is my little foray into gnome making with just bits of ribbon and some yarn. I've got some, I think this is eyelash yarn. I have tons of ribbon. This is not really Valentine's-y, but it's the only blue that I had with blue heart for ribbon, so I just thought I'd put that as a focal there. And I have some little rhinestones here mixed in with the threads and yarns, and there's some little blue star ribbon. Just lots of little cute things. This is actually all it is just yarn and string and ribbon all tied up. And then I put in a little pom-pom here for the gnome nose. I added some little blingy earrings. I don't know if you could tell that. And the hair, I don't know, some of this eyelash stuff is wanting to come out. The hair up in the hat, and then I've got her some little braids with bling on the end of her hairdo. If you can see that. It's kind of hard to show you in landscape unless I'm way out here. But there's her little hat. And then this is the back of her. She's not perfect, but I think it's so cute. It turned out really festive. So this is my blue version. And I plan to hang them up on my dream cabinet, so that's what this is right here. I haven't named these yet. You know, if you've got a name, let me know. Now, this is my miniature gnome. This is in pink, and this is, I think this is called Brick Brack or Rick Rack, or I don't know what it is, but anyway, I got a package of multicolors of this. I like the fact that if you kind of pinch it and pull it, it will do temporary curls. So I thought that was really cute. Oh my gosh, this is just a pink and gold tassel, and I added the little daisy in the pink and white, and a little pom-pom nose. I made the hat. This hat didn't turn out as great. I made this one first, so this, I don't even know what kind of hat that is, but that's supposed to be a gnome hat with a little rose, a fabric rose, and then I just cut the little yarn up here at the top because it was pretty flimsy yarn, and then I just used some more of that Rick Rack or bric-a-brac, whatever that is, as far as how to hang it. So I probably need to make that a little bit longer. Maybe I'll just add something on there to elongate how to hang this up, and then also it probably needed to be turned the other way, but it's still cute. So this I have no name for. I don't really know what I'm going to call them, but I thought that was such a cute idea, and these ladies are really talented that are making these beautiful little gnomes, and they do tassels of all sorts. So if you're into tassels, or you want to get into tassels, make sure that you check out Creating with Jovi on Tassel Tuesdays. And again, this is Gnometastic Tassel that I participated in with her Tassel Tuesday open collab that she did for Valentine's Day gnomes. So this is my Valentine's Day gnomes. This is pink and blue Valentines here at Sparkle by Monica, because those are my brand colors, as y'all well know, who watch me all the time. So I'm just doing my own thing here for Valentine's Day / decoration of my cabinet. I really love her little braids. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know below in the comments which is your favorite one here. If you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel, share to your friends that might be interested in this content. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and have a sparkle-tastic day, y'all. Bye!